Well, we're going to finish off with one more piece. But before we do, I'd like to thank you all very, very much for coming. It's been a great evening to spend with you, and it wouldn't have been the same here without you. This last piece has its roots in one of my earlier visits to Ireland. It's called The Old Ways. The song, your hands played the tune. 'Twas a vision before me. I left the music behind as the dance carried on, as we stole our way to the seashore and smelled the brine, felt the wind in our hair. In sadness you passed, sadly I knew that you'd have to go. Your world was not mine, your eyes told me so. Yet it was there I felt the crossroads of time, and I wondered why. As we cast our gaze on the tumbling sea, a vision came on of thundering hooves and beating wings in the clouds above. Trying to go, had to call out my name like a bird in a cage, spreading its wings to fly. The old ways are lost, you sang as you flew, and I wondered why. Thundering waves are calling me home to you. The pounding sea is calling